Hi, I'm Phil Brooks. I'm Dealer Manager for Agriculture at Kubota UK. Today we're going to do a talk and a walk around on one of the Kubota M4072 tractors. There are 4 models in the M4072 range. 66 horsepower and 74 horsepower, both available in roll bar or cabbed versions. These tractors are incredibly versatile. They can be used as an agricultural workhorse or with the option of turf tyres used in ground maintenance applications also. Being completely genuine Japanese Kubota built, they are a great blend of modern technology yet being simple to operate. Standard features include a forward reverse power shuttle, an 18x18 transmission, Dramone pickup hitch, quick hook linkage ends, 2 spool valves, air seat, air conditioning and radio CD player, to mention just a few. Bevel geared hubs are used on the front axle. This allows this 4-wheel drive tractor to manoeuvre as well as any 2-wheel drive machine. Great for in and around tight buildings. A mechanical auxiliary rear linkage control allows easier attach and detaching of implements. Other features not normally seen on tractors of this size include an independent hydraulic PTO engagement inside and outside the cabin, the 4-wheel drive switch, 40 km/h top speed, and a limited slip front differential. A genuine Kubota front loader can be fitted. Contact your Kubota agricultural dealer to find out about our tractor loader combination offers. Kubota have a range of warranty, service and finance packages to suit your needs. Currently we're running delayed payment options where you can buy now, pay in 3 or 6 months' time. If you're interested in one of these tractors or would like to know more information, please contact your local Kubota agricultural dealer. Kubota, we're on your side.